Setting up Bill.com API events allows you to automate and integrate your accounting processes with other applications, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual labor. To begin, you need to have a Bill.com account and some basic knowledge of API integration. First, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the Settings menu, where you will find the Developer Tools section. This is where you can manage your API keys and set up API events. Next, create a new API key by clicking on the Generate API Key button. You will receive a client ID and a client secret, which you will use to authenticate your API requests. To set up API events, you need to define the specific events you want to trigger, such as when a bill is paid or a payment is received. Bill.com provides a range of pre-built events that you can use, or you can create custom events to suit your specific needs. Once you have defined your events, you need to set up a webhook endpoint to receive the event notifications. This can be a URL on your server or a third-party service that can handle the API requests. To test your API events, you can use a tool like Postman to simulate the events and verify that your webhook endpoint is receiving the notifications correctly. Best practices for setting up Bill.com API events include using secure authentication methods, such as OAuth, and validating the event data to ensure it is accurate and trustworthy. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up Bill.com API events and start automating your accounting processes, freeing up more time to focus on your business. It is also important to review the Bill.com API documentation to stay up to date with the latest features and updates, and to consult with a developer or IT professional if you need additional assistance with the setup process. In summary, setting up Bill.com API events is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of API integration and authentication. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start automating your accounting processes and improving the efficiency of your business.